Good morning, students. Yesterday we have started with chapter number 14, that is factorization of algebraic expressions, and we have learnt how to find out the common factor from the given terms. Now, today, students will learn how to factorize the algebraic expression by taking out the common factors. So when we say by taking out the common factors, students, let's take an example. So we use distributive property here. The distributive property is used, and according to that, the distributive property is A into B plus A into C. This is equal to, see, this is the common factor. A is common in both the terms. Here we have two terms. This is first term, term 1, and this is second term. This is your term 1. You know that terms are separated by plus or minus sign. So these are two different terms of an algebraic expression. And in both these terms, A is the common factor. So we'll take out the common factor here. So when we take out the common factor, we'll get A is the common factor into. Now we'll put a bracket here, A into. Now we'll write the remaining factors from each term and with the sign in between. So here the remaining terms, remaining factors are B is remaining, so I'll write here B as it is, plus sign in between, so B plus, and C is the remaining factor, so plus C. So A into B plus C. This is actually distributive property. This is distributive property, which we have learnt it like this, that A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. Now we are taking it in the reverse order. So the same property is to be used for taking out the common factor and factorize the given algebraic expressions by taking out the common factor. It can also be A into B plus A into B minus A into C. When we have minus sign in between here, now the sign is minus. So this will be, again we see the common factor is A. A is common. So I write here the common factor as it is. बाकी का जो बचा हुआ पार्ट है पूरा ब्रैकेट के अंदर लिखेंगे और साइन बीच में यही आएगा माइनस का साइन. ये हो गया आपका b बचा हुआ था फर्स्ट टर्म में b, बीच में है माइनस का साइन, तो ये हो गया बीच में माइनस का साइन, और सेकेंड टर्म में है c. ऐसे ही यदि हमारे पास दो से ज्यादा टर्म्स है तब भी हम उसको फैक्टराइज कर सकते हैं इसी तरीके से. सो इफ यू हैव a into b plus a into c minus a into d. Now you see what happens. Again we see that a is the common factor. We see the common factor is a in all the three terms, तीनों में कॉमन. तो ये जो कॉमन फैक्टर है हमने लिखा a. अब ब्रैकेट में देखिएगा, दिस इज b प्लस का साइन, देन c माइनस का साइन, देन d. सो फर्स्ट टर्म b, देन प्लस का साइन था यहां पर तो प्लस लगाएंगे, c लिखा हुआ है c माइनस d. So this way we can factorize the given expressions just by taking out the common factor. We'll take some examples, students. Okay, students, let's factorize these two given expressions by taking out the common factor. Now we'll see how to factorize this. So here the terms we see, there are two terms here. The first one is 3x. So 3x, the factors are 3 into 1 into x. Another term is 15. Second term is 15. Factors are 3 into 5 into 1. So in these two terms, we see the common factor is 3. You can see the common factor is 3. Common factor is 3. So we can write this as जो common factor है वो हमने common निकाल लिया into, अब ब्रैकेट में जो बचेगा फर्स्ट टर्म में देखिए यहाँ पे 1 इंटू एक्स बचा है, इसका मतलब x हो गया, बीच में साइन वही आएगा माइनस, यहाँ पे हमारे पास बचा हुआ है 5 इंटू 1, सो दिस इज 5 एंड दिस इज योर आंसर। वेरी इजी वन। लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल। इन दिस फर्स्ट टर्म इज 5xy. This is equal to 5 into x into y into 1. 1 is a factor of every term, every number. The second term is 10x. Now this is 2 into 5 into x. Now let's find out the common factor. Common factor is, see, 5 is common here, x is also common, so the common factor I'll write it here like this, 5x. अब हम ब्रैकेट लगा दें, ब्रैकेट फर्स्ट टर्म में देखिए 5x हमने कॉमन निकाल दिया, यहां पे हमारे पास बचा हुआ है y इंटू 1, तो y इंटू 1 इज y, उसके बाद ये प्लस का साइन एज इट इज, और सेकेंड टर्म में मेरे पास बचा हुआ है 2, सो हियर आई राइट 2, सो 5x इंटू y प्लस 2 इज द फैक्टर, ओके, एंड दिस इज योर आंसर। See, you can check your answer just by simple multiplication which you have learnt in chapter number 9. Now let's multiply and see whether you get the same expression or not. So see, 3 into x, 3x, 3 into minus 5, minus 15 आ गया, मतलब आपका आंसर सही। सेम यहाँ पे देखिए 5x into y is 5xy, 5x into 2 is 10x, और बीच में था प्लस का साइन, that means your answer is correct. So this way you can verify the factorized part. We'll take some more examples, students. Okay students, next example, factorize 12a square b plus 15ab square. So let's write the factors of the first term, that is 12a square b. 12a square b. Let's write the factors. See, 1 is a factor of every number, so I'll write it as 1 into 2 से divide करते हैं तो आएगा 2 into again 2 into 3 into a into a into b. See, you can find the factors like this. ऐसे आप find कर सकते हो बच्चों, कोई नंबर बड़ा सा दिया हुआ 12, तो हमने इसको 2 से डिवाइड किया 6 आ गया, फिर 2 से डिवाइड किया 3 आ गया, फिर 3 से डिवाइड किया 1, यही हमने लिखा 1 into 2 into 2 into 3. That's what we have written. A square we have written as a into a and into b. So this way also you can find out the factors. If the number is large, if you are not able to do it orally. Okay students, the second term is 15ab square. तो 15 के फैक्टर्स देखिए 1 ऑलरेडी फैक्टर, 15 डिविजिबल बाय 3 होता है तो 3 से डिवाइड हो गया, 3 5 is 15 तो into 5 into a into b into b, it is b square. Now let's see the common factor. द कॉमन फैक्टर इज, देखिए बच्चों यहाँ पर 3 है, यहाँ पे भी आपके पास 3 है. अगेन यू हैव A, B, B. So the common factor is 3AB. Common factor is 3AB. So we'll write it like this, 3AB. बाकी बचा हुआ पार्ट हम ब्रैकेट में लिखेंगे. बाकी क्या बचा हुआ है आपके पास? 2 into 2. ये बचा हुआ है 2 into 2 into A. So 2 2s are 4, 4A. 4A. बीच में साइन था बच्चों प्लस का, तो ये प्लस का साइन लगा दिया. और यहां पे हमारे पास बचा हुआ सेकेंड टर्म में 5B. 5B. And this is factorized, and definitely this is your answer. Okay students, example number 3 now. It is 18x square minus 12x cube plus 21x raised to the power 4. तो यहाँ पे देखिएगा बच्चों, हमें फैक्टर्स लिखना है. 18x square, first we write down the factors of 18x square. 18x square, it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 3, x square है into x into x. बच्चों चेक जरूर कर लें कि सही लिखा है या नहीं. देखिए 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, आ गया 18, x into x हो गया x square. नेक्स्ट टर्म है 12x क्यूब. अब 12 के फैक्टर्स अभी हमने पिछले क्वेश्चन में भी निकाले थे. 1 into 2 into 2 into 3 x cube into x into x into x. x cube. See, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, x cube. 21x raised to the power 4. 21 is 1 into 3 into 7 into x power 4. x into x into x. 4 times. Now let's find out the common factor. So here we have to check the common factor in all three. तीनों में कॉमन होना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि 2 यहाँ पे 2 में कॉमन है तो हम कॉमन लिख लें. तीनों में कॉमन होना चाहिए. 3 is common. Then comes x, x, x. एक और x दिख रहा है यहाँ पर, x, x, x. Okay, so the common factor will write it here, 3 into x into x. अब बचे हुए टर्म्स लिखना है, साइन वही लगेंगे जो इनिशियली क्वेश्चन में थे. तो यहाँ पर बचा हमारे पास 1 into 2 2, 2 into 3 6, only 6 is left here, 6. यहाँ पे माइनस का साइन है तो माइनस लगा दिए. सेकेंड टर्म में बचा हुआ है. So students, the common factor is 3 into x into x. Now in the first term the remaining factor is 2 into 3 into x. This is also common. 3 into x is common. Remaining factor is 2. बचा हुआ है वो यहाँ देखते हैं. 2 into 3. This is 6 written here. माइनस का साइन है बीच में तो माइनस लगा दिया. अब सेकंड में देखें क्या बचा हुआ है हमारे पास. 2 into 2 4 into x 4x. और थर्ड टर्म में देखिए 7 into x प्लस का साइन था तो प्लस लगा दीजिए into 7x square. See, this is 3x square The answer is 3x square multiplied by 6 minus 4x plus 7x square, and this is your answer. So we can check it. 3x square into 6 is 18x square. 3x square into 4x minus 4x, that is minus 12x cube. 3x square into 7x square is plus 21x square, and this is your answer. Okay, students? So students, with the help of factorization process by taking out the common factor we have learned today, you can solve the questions given in your NCERT book. Try these, page number 219 and also page number 220, exercise 14.1, question number 2. Thank you and have a nice day.